Hey everyone, and welcome back to Top Notch Reviews. Ever wonder if those batteries in your drawer are good or dead? Today we're solving that mystery with the ANENG BT189 Universal Battery Tester. This compact tool is a game changer. The BT189 handles practically every common battery type: AA, AAA, C, D, N, 9V, and even tiny button cells. Just slide your battery in, or use the 9V contacts, and the clear LCD display instantly shows you the voltage. It's super simple, no guesswork, just an accurate digital reading. Built from durable ABS plastic, this tester is light, sturdy, and portable. Toss it in your toolbox or junk drawer. It's powered by a single 1.55V battery, and it saved me from throwing away perfectly good batteries. This thing is genuinely accurate and a real money saver, plus it's CE certified for peace of mind. If you're tired of the dead battery guessing game, the ANENG BT189 is a must-have. It's affordable, reliable, and incredibly easy to use. Stop wasting batteries and grab one of these. Find the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us what's your biggest battery pet peeve. See you next time on Top Notch Reviews.